So, if you haven't been living under a rock for the past couple of weeks, then you've probably come across TikTok and Reels about that girl. And if you do not know who that girl is, she is the person who takes care of her health, manifests her dream life, is productive throughout the day, eats healthy food, takes care of her skin, and so much more. And today, we are going to become that girl. Hello guys, I just finished writing my to-do list and I just thought I'll let you know what I have to do the entire day. I only wrote it till the afternoon, so what I want to get done before lunch basically. So I want to work out, schedule my video to go up on YouTube at 12 p.m. Make a thumbnail for that video, clean my room, I'm done with that. So let's do the satisfying. And I have also done scheduling my videos, so I'll cross it out too. I need to get ready. I need to take a few pictures for Instagram. So let's try and get all of these things done before 12 p.m. Right now I'm gonna make my thumbnail before working out because the video needs to go up by 12 and it is almost 10 a.m. already. So I'm gonna make that and then we're gonna work out. More than you know, more than lies beneath the surface, more than I'll show. I need you so. If there's one thing that's for certain, wherever you go, I'm going the same. Yeah, when our time is finally come, I lay my eyes beside your love. Baby, take hold, take my hand, more than you know. Hello guys, I just finished taking bath and this is my outfit for the day. I wanted to dress up a little but not a lot because I am in fact staying at my house. So I just wore this really comfortable and flowy frock so I can sit inside wearing this and not die out of. But anyways, I am going to be doing my hair care and my skincare right now. I thought about doing my makeup too, but then I just did not wanted to do it for the sake of the video because I don't really wear makeup, so I just thought I'd do my skincare. Hello guys, so let's get started with our skincare routine. So the first thing I do, I did make a video on this quite a while ago, but it is literally the same thing. I still do the same thing, only I just use I guess lesser products than I did back then. So the first thing I do is ice my face. Now I stopped icing my face for like 2-3 months because I have watched a reel, and honestly reels are sometimes very informative and sometimes not at all. So I watched a reel where it said that you are not supposed to ice your face because your nerve endings get very weak, and so I stopped doing it. But then my skin actually started not looking as good as it used to, and I know it may not seem possible, like a single ice cube won't run out of storage, but I'm done icing my face. And the next thing I do is this. I have mentioned this in many of my videos. This is basically a epilator and it gets rid of your facial hair, and you can basically I guess use it anywhere, but yeah, this is it. And I just move it in circular motions all around my face. I don't do this every day, like once every 2 weeks or once every week, depending. Literally not using a mirror, and this is scary. We're done with that. The next thing I do has basically been in my skincare routine since 8th standard, and every person I meet I recommend this to them, and that is rose water. I swear it literally changes your face. I apply it twice every day, in the morning as well as at night, and it literally makes your skin glow from inside. Like, I've never used a product that has been this good on my skin. And this is not the rose water I use. This we bought because we couldn't find any other one, and this makes my skin break out, like this brand. Sometimes maybe it is some other product that I was using, so the one that I use is the Dabur one, but because that is over, I'm going to be going ahead with this. And the skin breaking out my entire skin, so I want to apply a lot. I put this in a spray bottle, but right now I don't have that either. I literally don't have half the stuff that I use. I'm just gonna take it on my hand and apply it on my face. We're done with rose water. The next thing I did and do is use a moisturizer. I want to buy the Cetaphil one because I know that is really good, but this is the one that I use, and this again is over. All my products are over, so yeah, this is the next step in my routine, using this moisturizer. We're done with our skincare. That is literally it. The last step is Vaseline lip balm, and I use this on my lips. For my hair now, I started using the Indulekha shampoo because I ran out of my shampoo, and my mom used Indulekha, so I just borrowed it from her and started using it, and it is so good. Like, my hair, it has had so much volume, and it never had that much volume. So yeah, I started using that, and the other product I have started using is this. This is a Livon serum. I used to use another Livon serum, but this one works so much better. It is the vitamin E one, and it basically helps control frizz, ease out tangles, and reduce breakage. And I love this. When my hair is like 30% dry, I just brush it out using this big wide comb. I brush my hair, and I'm gonna... Okay, great, amazing. Okay, so I brush my hair, and now I'm gonna take this serum on my palms and apply it all over. I just take a little and just do that, and then only apply it to the bottom part of my hair because my roots do get oily sometimes, so I do not want to apply any excess oil on there. So I just applied this to the bottom. When there is barely any product left in my hand, I'll just do this so my bangs do not get frizzy. And yeah, that was my hair and my skincare routine, which literally took me half an hour to film because my phone has decided not to cooperate today. Anyways, I'm gonna keep everything back, all my products, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I wanted to talk about a product in this video that I have been recently using and loving. It is the Upton body wash by Wow Skin Science, and it is actually amazing. It is made out of traditional materials that are present in your house. So it has chickpea flour, turmeric, saffron and almond extract, rose water and sandalwood oil, and everyone already knows how much I love rose water. This product basically helps to regenerate and refresh your skin. It also helps to tone your skin as well as get rid of any tan that you have. And the one thing that I mentioned in all my Wow product review videos is that all their products are paraben, sulfate, silicone and color free, which is so amazing. And I have never mentioned this, but I am actually allergic to soap. So if I use soap a lot, it makes me get eczema on my fingers. So the doctor has recommended me to use really mild soap or natural soaps. So this has actually helped. Since I've been using this, I have not faced any problems or any eczema issues because this is fully made out of natural traditional materials. And again, the other thing about Wow products is that they have a code at the side of their products, and basically whenever you get a product, you can scan it on their official website, and this way you know if the products that you've received is the original product or if you got accidentally bought the duplicate, because many products on Amazon and Flipkart are sometimes fake. Yeah, so yeah, I love this product. This entire bottle is for 399 rupees. And yeah, if you want to purchase this, I will link all the 3 websites where you can get this in the description, and you can buy it for yourself. I'm really sleepy. but we're not gonna sleep, at least not right now. I am gonna start reading. And this is the book we'll be reading. It is a How to Be a Boss by Lilly Singh. I bought this in 2018, seriously, and I've never read, like I've only read like 2-3 chapters and then I stopped. And I actually am really passionate about reading. Like I love reading, and it is something I always used to do. I have a whole entire library in my house, in my room basically. And yeah, I am more into fiction books, but I know this book is amazing, and I've always wanted to read this, and now I know it is the right time to take it out and start reading it again. So I'm gonna spend a few hours reading this, and yeah, then I'll update you on what I end up doing. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you about why I actually wanted to do this video. It was not because this is a trend, because I actually got this idea and I had not seen a single video on it, and I thought that no one had done it. But then when I started looking around, people had done it. But I got this idea to basically live my life or do the morning routine of that girl, because I think that is such a good lifestyle to live. And as productive I have been in the past few months, I still think I can do way better, and I could just utilize my time way better than I have in the past. So yeah, the main thing that I really need to focus on is waking up, because that is the one criteria that I really suck at. I do not wake up early. And yeah, if that is something that I can get in control and just force myself to get up early, I think I would have a much better and much more productive lifestyle. And yeah, I just finished my freshman year yesterday, and that's why I wanted to do this today, because I want this summer to be the summer when I finally get my life on track. I get this routine, and this healthy routine that I love. I do not want to force myself to do anything. If I do not like it, even if I force myself, I'm not really gonna do it. So I want to fall in love with this routine so I can do it every single day and wake up early and be productive from the start, instead of laying on my bed. Even during classes, I wake up like 10 minutes before class, and I want to start waking up earlier. And even with working out, I just know I like working out in the morning way better than in the evening, because after working out I can just take bath, get dressed and get ready for the day, instead of doing it the evening, because then I'm just sluggish the entire day, just because I know I'll work out in the evening, so I'll be productive in the evening. And that is not the mentality I want to have with working out. I just wanted to give this routine a try and wanted to see if it actually helps me and makes me feel productive, and it actually did. Like this entire day, it was currently 1:30 p.m. and I have done so much that I usually don't, because I usually wake up really late. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more videos or get more into manifesting or a healthy lifestyle or something like that, please let me know in the comments down below.
17, we're growing up, sneaking red wine in a paper cup. We saw the world so differently, talk about things we'd never be. 17, we're still so young, waiting outside for you to pick me up. Driving so fast we couldn't see, everything changed so suddenly. I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know.